our single bay sink. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 24 inches, a depth of 27.5 inches, and a height of 41.5 inches with splash. Minus the splash, we have 32.5 inches. The distance between the left and right mounts, we have 9 inches. Measurements for the tub, we have 24 inches in length, also 24 inches in depth, by 13 inches in height. Drain basket will also be included. Or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this part.